A very lovely morning to all of you. Welcome back to the new video of EVS. In the previous video of EVS, we had done one topic. Do you all remember? Yes, that was vegetables. And today we are going to learn something more about vegetables. But before starting, ma'am wants to share a story with you. And I know you all like to hear some stories, right? So, do you all want to hear? Let's get started. Once there was a boy and his name was Jack. And one day Jack went to visit his grandma's house. और पता है बच्चों, जहाँ पे जैक की ग्रैंडमा रहती थी, उनके घर के बाहर एक छोटा सा गार्डन था. Where grandma had planted some vegetables. It was evening time and दादी wanted to cook something very delicious and healthy food for Jack. तो उन्होंने जैक को बुलाकर कहा कि क्या तुम गार्डन में से थोड़े वेजिटेबल्स प्लक करके लाओगे? मुझे तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा सा खाना बनाना है. तो जैक एकदम हैप्पी हो गया and Jack took the vegetable basket and went to the garden to pluck the vegetables. In the garden, Jack saw that his grandma had planted so many vegetables and the garden was looking so colorful and fresh. And there were tomatoes, green peas, brinjal, lady's finger and many more. He started plucking the vegetables which his दादी had asked for. और तोड़ने के बाद जब वो बास्केट लेकर घर गया तो उसकी दादी ने देखा कि बास्केट में पटेटोज अनियंस तो है ही नहीं. तो दादी ने उसको कहा कि तुम तो पटेटोज और अनियंस तो लाए ही नहीं. On this, Jack told his grandma that I could not find these vegetables anywhere in the garden. तो दादी ने कहा कि तुम वापस गार्डन में जाओ और वो वेजिटेबल्स ढूंढ कर लाओ. Again, Jack took the basket and went to the garden in search for potatoes and onions. उसने गार्डन में हर जगह ढूंढा लेकिन उसको पटेटोज और अनियंस कहीं भी दिखाई नहीं दिए. वो वापस अपनी दादी के पास लौटा और उसने दादी से कहा, दादी मैंने हर जगह ढूंढा लेकिन मुझे वो कहीं पर भी नहीं मिल रहे हैं. So, grandma told that take Moti along with you. Do you know who was Moti? Moti was the name of grandma's dog. Jack said, okay grandma, and then he took Moti along with him. And in the garden, what did he see? He saw Moti digging the ground. Jack डर गया और उसने सोचा अगर दादी को ऐसा पता चला तो दादी उसको डांटेगी. So he tried to stop Moti. But when he tried to stop Moti, he saw that there were some vegetables growing under the ground. जमीन के नीचे उसको potatoes दिखे और potatoes ही नहीं, उसको onions दिखे और कुछ और जगह पर डिग करने पर उसे कैरेट्स, रेडिश, बीटरूट ये सब वेजिटेबल्स भी दिखे. That time he realized that there are some vegetables that grow under the ground even, जो जमीन के नीचे भी ग्रो हो सकते हैं. And Jack became very happy and he plucked all the vegetables like potatoes, onions, beetroot, carrots, radishes. He collected the vegetables in the basket and went happily to his grandma. His grandma also got very happy और उसने कहा अरे वाह तुम तो सारे vegetables लेकर आए. And दादी wanted to teach Jack that as you see some vegetables grow over the ground, there are some vegetables that grow under the ground as well. And then दादी prepared delicious food and they both ate it happily. So children, did you like the story? So kids, from the story, what could you make out? Yes, there are some vegetables which grow underground like potatoes, onions, carrots. But there are also some vegetables which can be eaten raw. Raw यानी कच्चा, जो हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं कुक किए बिना. Like tomatoes, radish, carrots and so on. And also there are some vegetables which have to be cooked before eating, जो हम कच्चा कभी नहीं खा सकते. जैसे कि green peas, brinjal, potato and so on. Now we will learn this topic more in details. So let's get started.
So kids, can you tell me which plant is this? Yes, tomato plant. This is brinjal plant. Yes, this is green peas plant. And this is lady's finger plant. So we can see these vegetables on a plant. Some vegetables grow over the ground. ये सारे जो vegetables होते हैं वो जमीन के ऊपर ग्रो करते हैं. So we can see that plants, that vegetables. But have you ever seen potato on a plant? Or carrots? Or onions? Or radish? No. Do you know why? Because these vegetables grow under the ground. ये सारे जो vegetables होते हैं वो जमीन के नीचे grow होते हैं. So we cannot see these vegetables. They are also called as root vegetables. Now let's see which are the vegetables that grow under the ground. First is potato. See, these are the potatoes that grow under the ground. Then, what is this? Yes, onion. It also grow under the ground. See, these are onions with roots. Then next is, which vegetable? Carrot. Yes, carrot also grow under the ground. See, this is a carrot with its roots. And can you see here, this man is plucking carrot from the ground. Beetroot. Yes, beetroot also grow under the ground. Okay. Next is white vegetable, that is radish. It also grow under the ground. See, this is a radish with its roots. Okay. And do you know the leaves of all these vegetables grow above the ground? Okay. Now, some vegetables can be eaten raw. That means कुछ vegetables होते हैं जिसे हम raw यानी कच्चा भी खा सकते हैं. Which are they? They are tomato, cucumber, carrot, onion, beetroot, radish and cabbage. These vegetables we can eat raw as well. मतलब ये vegetables हम अगर कच्चा भी खाए तो हमारे बॉडी में easily digest हो जाते हैं. Do you know how you eat these vegetables? In the form of, yes, salad. Yes, green salad. Now, some vegetables have to be cooked before eating. मतलब कुछ वेजिटेबल्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसे हम कच्चा नहीं खा सकते, जिसे कुक करना बहुत जरूरी है. अगर हम ये वेजिटेबल्स कच्चा यानी कि रॉ खाएंगे तो हमें डाइजेस्ट करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है
और हमारे पेट में दर्द भी हो सकता है.
Now let's see which are the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. They are, yes, potato, brinjal, lady's finger, green peas, cauliflower and green beans. These are the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. They cannot be eaten raw. Okay kids? See, your mummy prepares nice sabzis from these vegetables. Yes kids? You must be eating all these vegetables in the form of sabzis or any other forms. So eat vegetables and stay healthy.
Now children, we will be learning how to draw these vegetables in our notebook. First we'll begin with the heading, then vegetables that grow under the ground. First we will be drawing a potato, the vegetable with eyes. Then a carrot, an oval, V curve, some slipping line, some slanting line, V curve and slipping line, V curve and slipping line. Then a radish, again an oval, V curve, some slipping line, some slanting lines, and we will be drawing leaves. Two standing line and join with curve, two slipping line with curves, two slanting line and join with the curves. Then we have an onion, curve, zigzag, zigzag, both the side curved line, then curve, some S in it, a standing line, both the side curved line, another curved line both the side. The onion is ready. Then children, we will be drawing pictures of the vegetables that can be eaten raw. First we will be drawing a tomato. Here is a tomato. Next will be a carrot. Make an oval shape, V curve, some slipping line, some slanting line, and then V curve, slipping line, V curve and slipping line. Then we have a cabbage. Make a circle, standing line and a curve, again a slanting line and a curve, standing, sleeping, standing, and 2 sleeping line, and then make some slanting line in it. The cabbage is ready. Then we will be drawing a cucumber. Put a dot, a slanting line, and a hook. Then again a slanting line and join, and make some slanting line in it. The cucumber is ready. Then we'll draw vegetables that have to be cooked before eating. So first is the king of vegetable, a brinjal, an ulta handle of umbrellas, and small oval. Then we'll draw potato. Children, you can draw any other vegetables which you like. Then here we have a green piece, slipping line, a curve, slanting line, and a curve, and draw some circles as well some down. The green piece is ready. Then we have a lady's figure, 2 standing line, curve, 2 slanting line, curve, 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 then a slanting line and a curved line, then a slanting line, and we'll join the curve. We'll make 2 slanting lines in it. The lady's finger is ready. Children, I think you will be practicing all these vegetables, the vegetables that grow under the ground, the vegetables that can be eaten raw, as well as the vegetables that have to be cooked before eating in the same way as ma'am showed you all.
Kids, I hope that you all found the topic of today very interesting, and now you will practice nicely in your book at your home as well as in the worksheets that ma'am will send you. Okay children, bye-bye.